Okay, my CLC albums are here. I want to open this real quick because I'm running out of good lighting. Let's go. So I bought 4 helicopter albums because I collect 2 members, and I also just wanted to support CLC's comeback. So, oh my god, this is heavy. Oh my god, it's pretty. So I believe you get 1 bookmark type thing, a pilot photo card, and then 1 photo card, I believe. But I only saw 1 Unbin photo card, so. And Elki's like bookmark type thing, so. Oh, I also collect Yun and Elki. I never said that, but. Okay, so the texture is quite matte. The back looks like. Side. I believe it should be this way. I don't think there's anything. No, nothing's in the front. Oh my gosh. I'm guessing the CDs and okay, so that's all where the stuff is. Okay, that's nice. It's all in one spot. Okay, let's go through this photo book. Oh, they're kind of stuck together.
Is it supposed to be stuck together? No. Why did I say it?
Sunny supremacy. Just saying. Yeah, these pages are like stuck together. Oh my god, her in this blue though. I love the bangs. Oh my god, the pages are really stuck together. A lot of people have been like hating on her hair, but I think it looks really nice on her. Zorn. I love the way her voice is in a helicopter, like the way, I don't know, her vocal tones like is really nice. Eugen is my 3rd bias, by the way. I used to collect Eugen as well, but when I downsized, I unfortunately dropped her. So I know there's a photo card of Eugen in this outfit. I know that. I saw 1 photo card of that. I didn't see any selfie cards though, because I only saw 2. Spoilers, so. The blank page. Elki. Justice for Elki this era. For real. She didn't get enough lines. But her dancing in this era is like she's a good dancer generally. But she's just like exceptional this era. Yep. Visual Queen's like, oh my god. Oh, is the rest of this unit? Give us more than a black page. Cute. Please. Oh my god. Oh. This was the picture that Soren posted, right? On Twitter? Oh, these pictures, right. The teaser pics. We didn't get 2 versions, but at least we got 2 confirms. Some stands have been saying that we're gonna get, like, these are gonna be what our light sticks if we, if Cube gives us one. Okay, I thought there was another page in there. That our light sticks are gonna be like that. But I hope not. My god. I don't know whose era it is though. I mean, Sunhee is definitely double. Like, her voice shines so much in that. Like, they all seem really confident this era, and it just makes me really happy. Oh, we're getting to the point where it's hard to turn the pages. Bitch. Oh my god. Her second rap, I can't hear it without rapping along with her. Like, I know it's really cringe of me, but it's so good. Elkie. Oh, she needed more lines. For real. I love the wet hair concept on Inbin. It's really pretty. Thank you, Cube, for putting in a budget for CLC. For real, like, 11 million views in 2 days is more than they've ever gotten. Because Cube just doesn't invest in them enough. But we all know that. Or maybe this was the picture that Soren posted. I think it was the other one though. Oh, I didn't show the... Oh, just kidding. I was like, I'm gonna show the track list. It's a fucking single album. Give us the full album, Cube. God, okay. Let's look at my polls. I realized I never showed you the CD plate. I don't believe it's random this time. I know No had 2 random ones. I think this one's just one. Cool. Okay, so I got my pulls out for there. I'm gonna take out the other ones. I forgot to show you the lyric book, I believe, which was in the that little section where all the photo cards, postcard, and bookmark thing was. Well, it's only it's a single and then an English version. So there's not that much of lyrics to show, but okay. My pulls. Okay, so there's 4 postcards. It looks like 4 bookmark thingies, and then there's a pilot card and a photo card you get with each album. I'm sorry the lighting has kind of gotten to shit, but I'm gonna keep going. So Sunyeon, Soren. I think these are all black and white. Yujin. Oh, and Sunyeon again. Okay, so I didn't pull any of my buys, but they're cute as books. So that's it for that. And okay, so these are kind of clear, so there's no way for me to really cover this up, but it's Soren, and I did see that I got Yoon twice, so there's that. But I don't know what the other one is. I hope it's Elkie. But I think it might be Yujin because it's... Oh! Sing. God. These are really pretty, actually. So, I guess there's 2 different versions of the pilot cards because these have purple backs and this is green. So, ooh. Yoon. Ooh, Elkie. Nice. And bin. Damn. I've almost pulled a Sunyeon set. Well, if I guess there is 2 versions of this. Unless there's 3, unless certain members are certain colors. I have to double check, honestly, I don't know. But I don't have to trade for these 2. Yay. Okay. Photo cards. There should be 2 each, so 2 each for each member. Oh my god. They're like small as fuck. These cards. So much Sungyeon. Yujin. She looks so cute. Oh, yeah, this is the one I saw online. Okay, so that's it for my CLC unboxing. I hope you guys vote for them and support them because they really deserve it. So, thanks for watching. Bye.